Barrel Horse News highlighted Dash for Cash, one of the most famous sires in racing. This horse is 16 hands, double-bred Dash for Cash. The article stated, "There will never be another Dash for Cash, but his name will forever grace many pages in both racing and barrel racing history. Dash for Cash graced our lives because B.F. Phillips Jr. held firm to his belief that a fast horse is good, but a good-looking fast horse is better. And that's my judge."
How would you describe Judge?
Judge is like this big, giant, fluffy, cuddly horse. He's just like this. He's almost like Eeyore. My mom calls him Eeyore all the time, just because like he's got that slow, like what do you want? What do you want from me? But he's got the potential. Like, his breeding is incredible. Holy cow. Once he realizes he's got speed, that's gonna be a really good horse to do. I wish I would stick around for barrels and see how he'd do there, because I think he'd be at least a 1D horse.
Do you wish you could keep him?
Oh, yeah. But
why?
And that's my dream horse. That's something I've wanted for a long time, and I've worked for it this time, so I don't know, that's gonna be a difficult one to let go. But he's completely gentle and has this like feeling that he's like, I got you. He's got like that big bear, that teddy bear that you can just go hug and like love on, and like that's your childhood type of horse. Really get him turning on something like barrels or roping or going and doing like guiding, like hunting guiding or mounted shooting. Like, he would be just such a good horse for a lot of things, just because of his whole kindness and gentleness, and he's there for you. He's that perfect horse that you can just kind of set your reins on the neck and let him walk out. He's phenomenal. And almost he has potential for a lot of things.
Okay, so how would you describe your journey's been with Judge?
Challenging in a good way. A little bit difficult but eye-opening, and kind of like it was a really good experience to have that type of caliber of horse, to be able to train him and have help from Bill Oliver and just shape this horse into something incredible. That's life-changing.